Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Peace. Welcome to another video. I am back. S&P 500 again, obviously. Yeah, the volatility is crazy. Past few days, it's been just really choppy and crazy, but overall bullish. And I'm still bullish. So I looked at the chart just to see if there was anything that would lead me to believe that this would go bearish, and eventually this will. I think that we're going to have a reversal, so I left some funds for the reversal, but I did get into a call position so that I can sort of scalp this bullish action. And it's really funny that the MACD bars are like red for this, but RSI is above 50 and the volume is decreasing. So like I said, once the volume just tapers off, it needs to get a little bit lower than this for me to be sure that it's going to be bearish. But right now I am bullish. So let's see what our position's at. We just have 15 contracts averaging at, I think, 78 cents. So yeah, our break even for today, 0 day to expire, is 598.78. So basically 599, and right now we're at 597 like 25. So we're right at the cusp of profit. As you can see, we're only $3 up, which is 0.26%. But yeah, we are going for some big gains today. So hopefully we can you know, get a little bit of a bullish run coming out soon. 5-minute candle is about to close and we just lost like 18 cents. So let's see what's going on here. I'm hoping for some big green volume stepping in so that other buyers can step in, and it's low green volume. At least RSI is still up. Let's see what it does here, and then we can decide what to do with our position. But not too much riding on this, only like $1,000. Okay, we're seeing some increase. That's nice. All right, up 4% on the day. Never mind, up 1.5%. 0 day to expire options are extremely volatile. And these are out of the money. But they're only out of the money technically by 71 cents right now. And there's still plenty of time for the rest of the day. Where I'm at, the market closes officially at 3 o'clock. After hours after hours options trading goes to 3:15 my time. But if it's 0 day and you don't have the funds to cover exercising the position that you purchased, or if you don't have everything that you needed to have for you to sell, but most likely just buying, it'll kick you out of your position at 2:30 my time. So it's 9:30 right now. So that's 4 hours to get to 12 plus 2 hours. So in a little bit less than 6 hours, this position will get automatically sold, which is an interesting feature, but it's in order to protect you, because any option in the money is automatically exercised at its expiration date, if you guys didn't know that. And I've had it happen too. I was in AMC calls, and they went into the money, and I forgot to sell them. So they were automatically exercised, and I was the proud owner of AMC shares. Just a little tidbit for you guys. Options are so interesting, and I've noticed that this channel has actually gotten a lot of subscribers from my videos recently, which is really cool. And they've got a lot of questions. I try to go into the comment section and answer everyone's questions to the best of my knowledge, but obviously I don't know everything, which is why I'm on my way to $250,000 and I'm not already a billionaire. But yeah, I think there's something to learn from everyone, because everyone's got a little different spice that they bring to the trading strategy. I've seen so many different trading strategies, and most people just make it up as they go. There's actually not a ton of financial advisors out there that know exactly what to do to always win. And even they don't always win. But yeah, I do like following patterns and trading SPY. It's just so liquid. And the options give you so many opportunities every day. But unfortunately, I decided to buy an options contract that was already 500% up on the day. So if I lose on this one, then that's just my bad. But I mean, this could go to 2,000%, but good luck chasing those. Down 3% on the day, 5% on the day. It's okay. I'm still bullish. The volume really needs to taper off for it to have that reversal. And we're 2 minutes away from the next 5-minute candle. So I'll be, 1 minute away. I'll be basically talking about what I'm looking for. I wish you could see historical chart data, because yesterday there was a perfect example that I was looking at. I wish I could zoom in on Robinhood, but I'd need like a different like broker app for that probably. But there was a point where the volume finally got to such a very small sliver, and then immediately there was bearish action. So yeah, definitely volume is a great indicator for price action, especially when you're taking into account the other indicators. Like right now, RSI is climbing. So you can kind of, even on vapors of volume, have a bullish run. And right now we are kind of running a little bit. We were up 16% very briefly, but it wants to cool down a little bit, which is why I was very bullish. Like I'm extremely bullish today. Like just look at this opening. Where are our resistance points? Okay, so we haven't been in this range for the past week. For the past month, so like just last month, we were in this range right here, and this is around the 605 mark. Honestly, this could be the gap fill. This could go up another, this could be a $10 day, guys. It could, but it not necessarily will happen, because it is Friday, and in my experience, historically, Fridays are bearish, just for the nature of things. But we do have the inauguration coming up. I don't honestly know which day it is. I don't really pay too much attention to that stuff, but I know it's coming soon if it's not today. Yeah, so that could be pretty bullish. I know some people are very excited for Trump. Some people are not so excited for him, but that's cool for them. Up 20%, nice. What I'm excited for is money. They say Trump is going to be good for the market. We'll see what's happening. I would love to just buy calls every day and make bank and then just go on with my life. But, you never know. Should I be spooked right now, guys? Because it goes up to like 60 and then it bounces off. But honestly, I am so bullish right now. It's unbelievable. I think these contracts could go to like $2, which would double up my money, which is nice. How much total did I put in? 160 from this. It's like 1,100 something. I put in like 1,150 into this position, which is nothing compared to some of the other positions that I've had on this channel. Looks like we rejected off of this high right here. Yeah, 597.60. That sounds familiar. Did we hit that here? Yo, there's resistance at 597. Yeah, 597.65-ish. There's some resistance, and people are knocking it down in that range. Interesting. So when you go on Robinhood, I don't know which brokerage you guys use, but I just find it the quickest and easiest to open and close a position, especially when you're playing like 0-day to expire options. Like you need to be able to like quickly make actions. What's interesting is when you're at the big chart, these are 10-minute candles, and then when you zoom in with the little box in the top right corner, these are 5-minute candles, which are pretty cool. You can't really see it well if it's in this mode, so that's why I like the line, which people hate. People hate the line. They're like, how do you trade patterns on the line? It's like, yo, I mean, you just look for a pattern. It's not going to be 100% accurate, but technical analysis is never 100% accurate. You could just give yourself a probability. Giving yourself an edge is the only thing that you can do. That's why everyone that joins the stock market like loses their money because it's not guaranteed. If it was guaranteed, then everyone would be really good. It's because everyone has the opportunity to make money that most people end up losing money, and then the some people that are either really good or really lucky end up getting all of their money because whenever there's a buyer, there's a seller. There's always an opposite side to the trade. Every time you open up a contract, you're not just opening it up out of nowhere. You're either buying it from another person like you in retail, or a market maker or a hedge fund is selling you that contract. So everything is accounted for. And you might have heard this phrase before, but it's all priced in. So when there's going to be a big implied move, the options prices are much more expensive because the implied volatility is higher. Like, it's very hard to win at this, guys. Which is probably why I got a lot of subscribers, because I kept on posting win after win after win. And hopefully I can post a win today. We are up 4%, but I am kind of spooked. But let's see this next volume candle after the 5-minute closes and see what we're looking at. Because we did have some bearish action, but I'm honestly looking for some high red volume here. Like a high red volume bar would be great. I don't necessarily think that that's bearish, but I definitely want more action here. Like, I need more people coming in. Okay, that red bar is a little bit higher. It might go down a little bit further, but I feel like this will give us space to go up more, which is what I would like to have done right now. Didn't want to make this too long. Maybe I'll record for another 15 minutes and stop at like around 10 o'clock. But, yeah, I mean, we're still doing fine, I guess. I mean, I can't complain about $153 extra that I did not have before. Okay, here's some downward action. Nice. Interesting. Seems to be bouncing very quickly. I wonder what the angle is. Because sometimes, not all the time, sometimes price action is dictated and manipulated in order to get people to buy more calls or buy more puts, or to trigger stop losses and get people out of their position so that a bigger move can happen with less damage to the market maker. And I think you're silly if you think that there's absolutely no manipulation and this is a complete free market. Come on, guys. This is America we're talking about. But yeah, I'm wondering what their angle is. And usually if you can predict their angle, then you can really capitalize on it. With the price action that I can see right now, they want it to go up, but they're slowing it down. So what I think they're trying to do is theta decay the option prices that are much higher. Let me look at the calls. I think they're trying to theta decay the ones that are up here. Nah, probably like these 600s, which makes me want to buy the 600s because I think these will go in the money now. How much money can I make today? That'd be risky. I don't want to risk anything. But judging by the price action, they're either preparing for a big upward move, or I don't even want to say it. I don't even want to say that they could drop this, because they could. We could gap down all the way to to this range right here, like the 594. That'd be terrible for this position. That would just decimate this position for sure. But yeah, they're definitely doing some theta decay on some of these options, including the one that I'm in. Because right now the break even for the 598s is 0.25%. And like I said, there's less than 6 hours left in the day. All right, are we finally breaking through this 597.60 zone? Because like I mentioned a little bit earlier, we saw some pretty heavy resistance. 10-minute candle's about to close. But as you can see, oh wow, they give you a 5-minute candle when the 10-minute candle hasn't closed. That's pretty cool. All right, and the 10-minute candle just closed. And we can see that, yeah, we rejected off this range like a couple times over here in the pre-market, over here half an hour into trading, and then just over here another hour into trading. So right now we're at the cusp, and we would need to see like probably 597.80, and then the next stop is probably not for a while. But that last 10-minute candle was high green volume, which is really cool. Yes, look at that, guys. Oh man, that is beautiful. Oh, I'm so bullish. I'm so bullish right now. But yeah, we just got to break through, and we'll be really sitting pretty. So I'm just gonna watch my position here. Cool, cool. Up 15%. All right, let's see if we can break through this 70s range. Bouncing around 72, 70, 72, 69. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on, get to 80. Get to 80 and then run away. Gained more than 20%. Doesn't look like I gained more than 20%. Oh yeah, now it looks like I gained more than 20%. Come on, buddy, come on. 73, yo. Don't reject off this. 74. Yo, let's get hype. 76. Come on, buddy. The next stage up. I know I should have put those other options on my watch list so I could see what happened, because I know that I was looking at these 601s and they were 9 cents, and the 600s were 21 cents, and then now they're 24 and 11. Dang it. Well, hindsight's 2020, and I don't want to get into a super risky position. Maybe when they go down further, what's probably the safest bet? Probably 600s. Yeah, because 601s, that's a little that's a stretch right there. It's possible, but it's a stretch. I'm going to put the 600s on my watch list at 25. And then if they go lower than that later on in the day and I'm still bullish, I'll load up on those. Finally, we broke $1 on these. I told you guys that this run was coming. I was so bullish, and I'm glad that the run came. The run came? Is that correct? English is my first language. Oh, man. All right, 92. This is insane. So cool. Can we go all the way to 98? I don't know. I probably should be taking some profits here, but I want to see this 5-minute candle close. Let me see some high green volume. And then RSI climbing. Oh, MACD bars are converting over to green. This is just a great day. I'm so glad that I was in calls. You got to be bullish around this time of the year, right? You got to be. This is where the magic happens. $90, $80. Oh man, super volatile. All right, so it closed and it's slightly lower than I would have liked. It's still probably really bullish, but oh man, I'm gonna kick myself if I take too much off the table. Well, okay, so I paid 78 for these, and if I take profits such that I leave the contracts on the table that are all house money, then I can feel pretty good about it. So $400 would be basically 4 contracts left. So I guess I could sell 10 right here and then go from there. Oh wow, and we dropped to oh my god, come on, bro. All right, now I can't even sell 10 contracts. It would have to be like 12. Wow. Oh man, unbelievable. You know what? I should just take my 25% and run. But yeah, this is going to go ballistic. I can feel it. I can feel it, Mr. Krabs. $101. Yo, you can't get rich in one day. I'm going to sell these. I might buy some of the other options later on. And I'm going to look like a big dummy for selling this early. But I just want to get out. It's important to take profits. So I managed to take some profits on this one. My fill price was $101 with $351 profit, which ended up being just over 30% profit, which beats my goal of my 3% goal for every trade that I do. So I'm well on my way to that goal that I've set for myself to have $250,000 in my account by the end of the year. Yeah, I mean, this will probably just keep going, but yeah, I didn't want to leave just 30% on the table because I've seen green trades go red, and it's not pretty. But since I made that $400, I think I can afford to buy some runners. So let's see that option that I looked at earlier. What was that? All right, they're up to 27s now, and then 601s are at 12. The worst that could happen is I could lose all of that 400. So I'm only going to put half of that up. I'm going to put up like 200, which will be like 8 of these, right? Yeah. I'm going to buy 8 of the, oh my God, 28 now? 30? Wow, that's insane. It's running now. All right. Yeah, I'm definitely not buying it at 31. All right. Missed that opportunity, but that's okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll keep on posting. I might post a little bit later today. I got 500 bucks left to trade. So keep an eye out for the second video. Am I still bullish? Not that my opinion matters, but I'm still bullish. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more.